numbers. Okay, nice example. I've got an example, because we were discussing this yesterday amongst the adults, and I've got an example of a great cooperation that happens every day in school, absolutely every day, and we'd be lost if this team didn't cooperate so well to help us out. Special team, we all go and visit them every day, twice a day actually, and the team works really hard cooperating. You do this job, I'll do that job, you do this job, I'll do that job, and we'll all be ready. We'll be ready for when all the kids come in. What team might I be talking about in school? What team of people, adults, who cooperate, a team of 4, who cooperate really well to make sure it's all right. Oliver? The kitchen staff. The kitchen staff. The kitchen staff are a team of 4. So I thought what would be really nice is to recognise our kitchen staff with one of our cooperation certificates, because they work so hard for us. So if you all want to spin round on your bottoms, and I'll go to the back of the room. Thank you so much for being such a great team and working so hard for us. Okay? And I think that was a nice round of applause. Don't forget you'll visit the team twice today, so you'll have an opportunity to say thank you as well. All right? Well, thank you very much for joining us today. That was really nice of you. All right, love it. Give them a